Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss DGM rule in organometallic chemistry. Now, DGM rule in organometallic chemistry. Now, DGM means Davis, G for green, M for Mingo's rule. Davis-Green-Mingo's rule. Now, this rule applicable only for DGM rule applicable only for 18 electron complex. DGM rule applicable only for 18 electron complex. Second, what is DGM rule? DGM rule is nucleophilic adapt. Nucleophilic adapt on the polyene system. On the polyene system. Polyene system. Now, what is polyene? Type of polyenes. Types of polyenes. Type of polyenes. Polyenes, two types. Acyclic polyenes and cyclic polyenes. Acyclic polyenes and cyclic polyenes. Now, acyclic polyenes further two types. One is odd polyenes, and another is even polyenes. Acyclic odd polyenes, example, this is eta 3, the hepticity 3. Hepticity all over we know, the atom in a ligand attached to metal atom. Now, this is odd polyenes, eta 3, eta 5, etc. Even polyenes, this is eta 2, eta 4 attached to metal. This is eta 4. Acyclic even polyenes example. And odd polyenes, cyclic polyenes are the two types, odd cyclic polyenes and even cyclic polyenes. Now, odd cyclic polyenes example, suppose cyclopentadiene to metal atom, eta 5 hepticity, this is odd polyenes. Even polyenes example, suppose benzene, this is eta 6. This is cyclic odd polyenes example, this is cyclic even polyenes example. Now, the rules is the DNG rule 1. First, nucleophilic adapt even polyenes more reactive than odd polyenes. Odd polyenes means even polyene greater than odd polyenes. The nucleophilic adapt even polyene faster than the odd polyene. Second, nucleophilic adapt acyclic more reactive or more faster. Acyclic, suppose acyclic polyenes faster than cyclic polyene. So acyclic greater than cyclic. This is the rule of DGM. This is DGM rule. DGM rule. This is Davis-Green-Mingo's rule. This rule is applied 18 electron complex. 18 electron complex. Now, example, iron, CO, eta 2 and eta 5. Now, this is positive, RMgX, reaction with RMgX. This is the Grignard reagent. This is the nucleophile R minus, and this is the nucleophile. Now, this nucleophile attack either this side or this side. So, first we choose even polyenes greater than odd. Then second, this is more And second, this is acyclic greater than cyclic. Now first, this is eta 2 and this is eta 5, and this complex is iron 8 electron and 2 CO, so 2 into 2 electron donor plus eta 2 hapticity 2, this is 2 electron donor, and eta 5, this is 5 electron donor. Total, this is positive charge, this is negative -1, this is 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 5 minus 1 equal to 19 minus 1 equal to 18 electron. So this is 18 electron complex. So now applied, this is DGM rule. Now attack the even greater than odd. So first attack even site. So even site, this won't migrate to iron. So the structure is iron cyclopentadiene, this side, and CO, this is CH2, and this is R. So this is the structure. This is also 8 electron because iron 8 plus 2 CO plus 4 plus 1, the 1 plus 5 eta 5 equal to 18 electron. So 18 electron converted to 18 electron in the presence of nucleophile attack. This nucleophile attack, this is the rule of DGM rule. Now reactivity order. Reactivity order, even case, even Paulins. Now ethane greater than 1,3 butadiene greater than this system greater than benzene greater than propene system. Now eta 2, this metal attached to metal, so this is from the eta 2, eta 4, eta 6. So acyclic system faster than the cyclic system. Now in case of odd Pauling system, same types. This is eta 3 greater than, now this complex and cyclopentadiene, this complex attached to metal. So eta 3, eta 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eta 5, and also eta 5. This is also eta 5, but acyclic greater than cyclic. This is the reactivity order of even and odd Paulins. Another example, molybdenum. This is heptacity 3, this is heptacity 4, and opposite, this is benzene ring, heptacity 6, positive charge. Reaction with pH Li and reaction with NaOMe. Now to calculate first total valence electron. Molybdenum, this is total valence electron, this is a 6 electron plus eta 3 electron, eta 4 electron plus eta 6 electron, and 1 positive charge, 1 negative, equal to 19 minus 1 equal to 18 electron complex applied for the nucleophile. So addition the DMG rule. Now first even Paulins greater than odd, so even greater than odd Paulins, odd. Now this is eta 4, this is eta 6, so this is even, this is also even, this is odd. So first check even greater than odd, so even Paulins to even Paulins. Then check acyclic Paulins, acyclic greater than cyclic Paulins. So this is acyclic system. So nucleophile addition, nucleophile attack on this side, and the form the this positive charge neutralize. So product is this benzene, and this is 3-member ring, and 4 carbon 1 2 3 4, 4 carbon 1 2 3 4, and 1 is pH. So this is heptacity 3 convert to heptacity 3, 4 convert to heptacity 3, and now this is also the 3. So calculate the total valence electron. 6 plus heptacity 3 plus 3 plus this is heptacity 6 equal to 18 electrons. So 18 electron converted to 8 electrons. Electron valence same. Now in NOMe, NO plus, OMe minus. So OMe same side attack in this side because even greater than odd and acyclic and cyclic system. So same product. this is the 3 member and this is OMe attacked, so pH replaced to OMe and this is 3 membering. So this is eta 3 and eta 6. This is 18 electrons rule. Another example, iron 5 membering, eta 5 and 6 membering. This is plus eta 6. Now total valence electron equal to iron 8 plus 6 plus 5 plus positive minus 1 equal to 14 plus 5 minus 1 equal to 18 electron. So 18 electron in presence of lithium aluminium hydrate. Suppose lithium aluminium hydrate. This is nucleophile. So H minus attacked in which side? First rule, even greater than odd. So this is even, this is odd. So attack the even side. And this 5 membering. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Attack this side and positive charge neutralize this. So iron, this 5 membering and this 6 membering, but 1 hydrogen is there. So eta 5 and also eta 5. So form the 8 electron plus 5 equal to 18 electron complex. This is the product. It's all about DGM rule, and if you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box and like, share, subscribe. Thank you.